In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Reader for Windows 10. Whether you need it for reading PDFs or managing documents, Adobe Reader is an essential tool for many Windows users. I'll take you through the process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. To begin, open up your browser of choice. It doesn't matter whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other. Whichever one you're most comfortable with will do just fine. In the search bar, type Adobe Reader Download. You should see a list of results popping up. Look for the official Adobe website link and click on it. This will take you to the Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Once you're on Adobe's site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's on the page. You might see various options and products, but for now, focus on finding the section that mentions More Download Options. Click on that link. What this does is it gives you additional flexibility in choosing the exact version you need, especially useful if you want to ensure compatibility with different versions of Windows. Now you'll need to specify your operating system, so find the area labeled Operating System. There's usually a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this arrow and a list of operating systems will appear. From this list, you'll want to select Windows 10. Make sure you've selected the correct version because Adobe tailors their download to fit your specific OS, ensuring maximum compatibility and performance. After confirming you've selected Windows 10, look for the Download Acrobat Reader button and go ahead and click on it. This will initiate the download process for Adobe Reader. You'll get a pop-up or a dialog box asking you to confirm the download location on your computer. It's generally a good idea to save downloads either directly to your Downloads folder or another location where you can easily find them later. While Adobe Reader is downloading, you might notice the browser showing the progress of the download, which you can monitor to see how long it might take. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few moments. Once the download is complete, open up the file to begin the installation process. Usually, you can do this by double-clicking the downloaded file. The installation wizard should open, prompting you to follow a series of on-screen instructions. Read through them carefully, as Adobe might offer additional software. You can choose whether to allow the installation of extra software, but it's not necessary for Adobe Reader itself to function properly. Follow along choosing Next where prompted, and eventually you'll see a Finish button. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Reader on your Windows 10 device. You're all set to start reading your PDFs and managing your documents with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.